Radio,
This
he's...
is my mom's house.
Send me another car.
I didn't even do anything.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
What? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Please do not touch me. I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
You are being recorded. I did not do anything, ma'am. Can you please let my arm go? Why are you grabbing me?
Because I asked you to stop. You're on a
Stop
traffic
grabbing me. Please stop grabbing me.
Radio,
Ma.
step it up.
Ma. Can you please stop grabbing me? I didn't do anything. I don't know. This lady just
Get on the ground.
Stop grabbing me. What are you doing?
You're not going in the house.
Yes, I am. Move. What are you doing? Stop. What are you doing?
You're on a traffic
I
stop.
don't know
You
what
need to
you're
stop.
doing. I
Okay,
don't know
you
why
need
you
to get on the...
stopped me.
You need to stop.
Can you please leave me alone?
No.
I did not do anything.
Get on the ground.
Whoa.
Get on the ground.
Ma'am, you are being recorded.
That's fine. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Stupid, I don't have a weapon.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Why?
Get on the ground.
See, my hands are free.
Okay, get on the ground.
I didn't do anything.
You're not listening. Get on the ground.
Ma'am, I didn't do anything.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get in the house.
That's my brother.
Get in the house.
I can't go on my mom.
Get on the ground.
Why?
Get on the
What
ground.
did I do? I am recording you, ma'am. I'm not getting on the ground.
You're not listening. Get on the ground.
I got your
recording. Don't
That's fine. Get on the ground. Get in the house. Get in the house.
fucking shoot my brother. I swear to God.
I have a heart condition.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get in the house.
I'm not moving. I'm right on my fucking house right here. Why would you tase my brother? He didn't do shit.
One's been
He didn't
tased.
fucking tase him. He didn't do shit. We wanted to know.
Get in the house.
Get in the house. Fucking move me, bitch. You think you never
Hey, get back right now.
Shoot me, motherfucker.
Get in the house.
I'm not moving. Get off me. Why you touching me? Why you
You're
touching me?
obstructing. Get in the
Why
house.
are you touching me? I'm not
They ain't just go in the house,
I'm not a
bro.
I'm not a
Yo.
Let's go in the house. Why are you touching my brother? Get off me.
It's fine. Turn around.
No, bro.
You want to obstruct? Turn around.
Standing right here.
I don't know what's on my structure. Oh my God.
I'll give it to you again.
Fucking faggot. You see him? I'm my structure.
One of you guys also on Route 7 lane.
Can you explain this to me?
Yes, we will.
I just pulled up. My brother just pulled up. You niggas got him at gunpoint. What the fuck? Nigga got my brother at gunpoint. You just take my bro. Get my glasses up and step on you, dumb bitch. You fucking pig. I am struck. I'm standing right there recording. You fucking pigs do to us. You see what they do to us?
I asked you to get in the house.
You see this shit? You see what they do to us? You see what the pigs do to us? Right from my fucking house. Oh, this guy.
Get in the car.
Fuck you niggas, man. I ain't even do shit.
Good.
All I was doing was
What?
I just pull up.
Black car and then...
No, it's this one right here.
Pull up to my. Nine's up.
Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground right now. On the ground. On the ground.
I have a heart condition.
Get on the ground right now.
I have a heart
Taser, taser, taser.
why would you tase my brother? He didn't do shit.
One's been
He
tased.
fucking tased this nigga. He didn't do shit. We waited for the house.
Get in the house.
Fucking move me, bitch. You think you never do
Hey, get back right now. Get back. Get back.
Shoot me, motherfucker.
Get back.
You fucking
Get
piece
in
of
the
shit.
house.
I'm not moving.
I didn't even do anything.
Hey,
Why'd you touch me?
Obstructing.
get back.
You touch me. I'm not
That ain't just go in the house,
I'm not a
bro.
I'm not a fucking
Just go
Get us a couple more cars. Somebody came outside. We got some more issues
Go in the
here.
house, no, bro.
Turn around.
No, bro.
You want to obstruct?
What is she doing? I'm standing right here.
Let's grab this guy.
I don't know what's going on. Oh my God.
I'll give it to you again if you give us a problem. Let's go.
I'm not gonna do anything.
On your face, on your face. Hands behind your back. Okay.
Oh my God. I didn't do anything, officer.
What up, you niggas got
I didn't do anything. I did not do anything. I do not know what's going on.
Okay. Well, relax.
Oh my God, why did you take?
You should probably just listen when the police show up.
That's my little brother.
I don't know who that
That's my
was.
little brother. He didn't do anything. We didn't do anything.
Nah, he did a lot because he wouldn't listen to us, and you wouldn't listen to us.
We didn't do anything.
Off in the car?
All I was doing was at my mom's house.
Is that
I pulled up.
black car?
I just pulled up.
black car that?
No, it's this one right here.
I just pulled up to my mom's house. That's it. I don't even know why she.